welcome to another episode of Game Gods AZ. I'm Matt.
I'm Josh.
Today we're going to do a what if situation. We're going to do a classic board game of Monopoly. What if your son beat you at Monopoly? That's not good. While some parents is good, we're going to do two scenarios today. The good side and the bad side. First up is a scenario 1. This is where the kid beats the dad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oof. How much do I owe you?
2,000.
I don't have that much. All I have is this. So that means you bankrupt me.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
You actually beat the guy.
Yeah.
Beat the old man. Good job. So proud of you.
Now who's the champ?
You are right now.
Yeah.
Well, we'll have a rematch later.
No, we won't.
All that stuff.
No, we won't. I'll still win.
Alright, so after he beat you, you're happy. Woo! Everybody wins. No. It's not how it happens. What are you teaching him? You're teaching him that he just punked you. He just owned you. So now he goes around the house. I beat dad at this. I beat him at that. No. Let's go scenario 2. For guys like me, this is what happens when they're about to win. Scenario 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boardwalk. How much do I owe you?
2,000.
That's all my money. Oh wait. Is that sure? No, it's sure. No one beats me. You understand? No one's seen that stupid game. Sit down. Get out the game. No one play. Pick up your game. Pick up your stupid game. So that's what happens after scenario 2. That's the way it should be. That's the way it's going to go down. Every dad out there, this is what you need to do. Every parent, brother, sister, older, don't let someone younger beat you. Stay tuned. Like always, subscribe and like at the bottom. Leave comments, please. Get us back. Let us know what other videos you want to see. If you want to see anything, let us know. More to come.
Welcome to the new age.